Hey everybody, Dr. Neil here. I was just reading a fascinating article from a few years ago about coordination of the nerve system, and they were talking about a feed-forward activation that happens in our nerve system. So let me explain that. What that means in this case is that when you go to lift up your arm at your shoulder, what should happen is that your core muscles stabilize first to support your lower back, support your midsection, so that you don't tip over and lose balance when your arm is lifted up in the air. So they looked at 90 healthy young men and their ability to have that feed-forward activation occur properly, and they found that 17 of them were not able to do that. So there's a good percentage that could not coordinate their nerve system properly, obviously at a subconscious level. So what they did was nothing for the first 6 months. They said, let's just see with their regular activities or normal things that they would do, if that changed the results at all. And they looked and they measured again. No changes had happened at all. Those same guys were not able to have that feed-forward activation work properly. So what they did was they adjusted them. Well, they did a chiropractic assessment first. They got adjusted in their pelvis and their hips, and immediately there was a 40% increase in their ability to stabilize their core before they were lifting up their arm. This information, this research is fascinating and really important for a couple of reasons. One is that we know that people have lower back pain have a lower feed-forward activation. They have a lower ability to coordinate that core stabilization. So their body is more susceptible to injury, to damage, to pain, because their nerve system isn't coordinated properly. And the second part is the results were fascinating. 40% change in just a single chiropractic adjustment. And so what that tells us is that there's a reboot of our nerve system. And that's what they talked about in the article. Our nerve system is like a computer, and when we get that nerve stimulation to our brain from a chiropractic adjustment, it's sort of like rebooting a computer, starting over and refreshing those normal nerve activities that should be happening and coordinating for us to stabilize and to minimize damage or injury or stress that would happen in our lower back. Thanks for checking us out right now. Check out our Facebook page and AncasterFamilyChiropractic.ca, and we'll talk to you soon.